If you are still using Scalar UI for your C# web API, there is a modern alternative you should know about Scalar. It is faster, cleaner, and developer first. In this video, I will show you how to use Scalar API in ASP.NET Core step by step. So first of all, what is Scalar API is? So Scalar API is a modern open source developer experience platform for your API documentation, with built-in interactive playground which seamlessly turns to a full-featured API client. Alright, so this is gonna be the UI for Scalar, and this is gonna be the installation process. Okay, so let's go to the Visual Studio, and I need to install the NuGet package, which is gonna be a Scalar, right? Type a Scalar, and then I need to install this Scalar.ASP.NET Core. Okay, at this moment this is the latest version. Okay, finished. Then we need to go to the program.cs file. So here is the configuration that we need to use. So we need to have add OpenAPI, also map OpenAPI, and then map a Scalar API reference. So I already have add OpenAPI, map OpenAPI. The only remaining part is this one, map a Scalar API reference. That's it. Save that, and if we run the solution, so our API endpoint is 7157/Scalar. Yep, so this is our UI for the Scalar, right? So here I have API and the model, right, with schema. So under the products API we have 5 endpoints. We can give it a test. Yep, we got the response, get product by ID. We have to provide the ID here. Let's say 1. Yep, we have that one, right? Let's say 2 is there. I wanna see, yep, not found, right? Not found, response type, which is great. We can also post a product here, test product, right? Price, let's say 1599. Send the product, created, right? And the product ID is 5. And if we get all the products, we should see the 5 is here, test product. Okay, that is also fine. Similarly, we can update the product, right? We want to update the product 5, and also we have to provide this here, ID, test product 2, let's say, and price is gonna be, let's keep it similar, sent. Okay, no content means it was updated. Let's go back to the get products all, send. Yep, so 5 was updated to test product 2, so it's working, right? And it is pretty easy to configure. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It takes a second, but it means a lot to me and helps me creating more videos like this.